A je gati të bësh edhe ti ndryshimin tënd? Universiteti Vitrina.
Later we'll see the hypothetical idea about regretting something, and that we can express it with wishes. Okay? So if we say children learn if they are exposed to a new idea. Which are the verbs here?
Are exposed.
Good. So it means we have two parts in this sentence. So the first one is children learn, till here, and the other if they are exposed to a new idea. Now, what do you think? Which is the main part of the sentence? Children learn.
Children learn.
Okay, good.
Goes and
The other, if they are exposed to new
Condition.
idea. Okay, so that is a subordinate clause, or you call it a conditional clause. Okay, good. So this is the main part of the sentence, and the other is the subordinate. So in this case, because of this conjunction, we have called these sentences conditionals. Okay, let's consider children learn. What do you think? Is this a condition? Is it a statement? What is it? So children learn.
statements.
Okay, good. What about if they are exposed to a new
That's the
idea?
condition. It's the condition.
Do you think it's hypothetical? It's real? It's improbable?
No, it is probable.
Okay, good. So, these kind of sentences where you have a kind of statement which, do you think it's positive, it's true, it's possible, this statement? Children learn?
It's
So it's
true.
It's
Possible.
true, it's possible. And if they are exposed, so is the condition part. Do you think that that's possible?
That's possible.
Okay. So the condition here
It's possible.
is possible. Good. This kind of sentence where we have a true statement. Do you think it's about all time or it's just about present, past or future?
It's about all.
Okay. All the time, good. If they are exposed to a new idea, so we said it's a condition, is possible, it refers to present, past or future, what do you think? If they are exposed, it means any time
Yeah.
it can happen. So the condition also, it is possible about all time. So it means in general. Okay. These kind of sentences where you have what tense is the verb in the main part?
Present.
Okay. So you have present tense because we might have given another verb in present tense. It might have been in present continuous. So in this case it is present tense. What about the verb in the subordinate clause? What kind of tense is it?
It's possible. Present verb.
Are is, what tenses are? It's present. Present.
Present verb is have.
This is past participle, so it's present passive. So still it's a present tense. In this case it's passive because what happens? Somebody else is going to introduce them to a new idea, maybe a teacher for example. Okay. So both parts of the sentence, they have present tense verb. It's a conditional sentence. it's zero conditional. Okay. Now, these sentences, zero conditional sentences, we use them in English when we want to give an idea that the speaker in general believes to be true. Okay, so don't forget it. Can you give other examples about zero conditionals? If she eats seafood, she gets a rush. We have the conditional part introduced, and we have the other main part, so she gets a rush. We have the verb eats, we have gets. So I guess here it's easier for you to identify that the verb is present simple because it's third person singular is active, it's not passive. Okay? So if she eats seafood, she gets a rush. Do you think that this condition is possible, improbable? It's not true? Okay. So it's a possible condition. Good. What about the result? She gets a rush. And it's a true. Okay, so possible result. Okay. So this was the condition, which was possible, and the result also was possible. Now it refers to what time, what tense, what aspect of time it refers to if she eats.
Since it's present simple, it is the case when it is true all the time.
Very good. Okay, so it's about
In general.
present, it's about future, so it's anytime if she does it. So the result is a rush. She gets a rush. Okay, so all the time. Very good. The same thing with the result, all the time. Okay. So don't forget this about this zero conditional. Another thing, what about when you have seen in shops discounts, offers, sales? What do they usually write there? So they write there, if you buy one, you get two. Okay,
Yeah.
so half price. Sales. Okay, so don't forget that also. Is this clear? So shall we continue with the other one? Okay. Thank you for that. If we have another sentence, for example, maybe you're used to the sentence, if I study hard, I'll pass the exam, or if it rains, I'll stay home, and so on. I'll give you another one. For example, he'll accept the contract if the price is okay. We have still verbs will accept, short form, contracted form of will, and you have if the price is okay. Since in this part you have the conjunction if, it means this is going to be the subordinate conditional clause. So it means that in this part we have the condition. What is the condition?
If the price
Is good. So if he's interested in the price, it means if the price is okay, he will do what? What is the result? He will accept the contract. And something else, the main thing. In a conditional clause, what should we have? What should we remember? We should at least have a condition in order to call it a conditional clause. Okay, so the condition is that if the price is okay, he will accept the contract. Now, in this case, he will accept or he'll accept the contract. It's a result. Do you think it refers to what? Past, present, or future? Okay. So you think that this result?
Sometimes it may be also present.
Very good. So present or future? Now, what about the condition? If the price is okay, it refers to what aspect of time of tense?
Present.